Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD parent will do the Forex analysis for 23rd to 27th February 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So here this is our chart of Euro USD. Let's now talk about the closing first. So here on Friday 0.06% positive move. 1.17809 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart you can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a small lower wick. Currently if I talk about the upper wick, there is a very tiny upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 79.88 levels, which is at a overbought levels, which is surely indicating as a negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart. Currently if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. If you want to learn trading, I only teach trading in a one-on-one session. So if you want to learn, do contact me on my WhatsApp, or you can directly buy it from the link given in the description, and I will directly contact you from those numbers. So now let's talk about the closing. 1.17809 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.17670. Direct resistance is 1.17882. After direct support, there is a support of 1.17454 and then 1.17168. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.18202 and then 1.18507. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So according to previous week momentum, what are my expectation? I'll just share it with you. But if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion. My opinion in Euro USD is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range, that is 1.77822 to 1.8202. I am expecting a closing in this range. But if there is a breach of this level, lower level, or the support of 1.17670, which is a direct support, if this gets breached and a 1-day or a 4-hour candle gets closed below this, then I will go for a short till this level, that is 1.17454. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range, but any level get breached, you should look for a closing candles which will help you to take better trade for positional or for swing, even for intraday, as you can take such trades during these level breaches. So overall, my expectation will be positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.